Right then, so Vauxhall Inspection 2, Inspection 3. What does it all mean? We keep getting these little codes coming up on the dashboard. You turn the ignition on, you switch it off, you get the inspection coming up. So, here we go. Inspection 3. That is when the remote key fob, the battery, is running low. As soon as your battery drops below a certain voltage, it signals to the dashboard and tells you with an inspection code, inspection 3. So we shall replace that battery and get rid of that. So we've got the remote control here, we've got the inspection 3 warning. I'm going to change the battery. So I'm going to just stick his finger behind here and give this little battery cover. That's what you've got, the 2 buttons on the back there. Battery case cover here. We're just going to stick his finger in there and just give it a pull. Off it comes, which reveals the CR2032. Just stick a little screwdriver behind that. Let's pop that out. There we go. We've got a new battery there. Nice new battery. I'll just drop that in. Put the tip in first. Push it in. And pop the cover back on. Okay, job done. Inspection 2, slightly different. That one is if a bulb has gone. So if you've got a bulb blown somewhere on the car, you'll get an inspection 2 warning coming up, and that's how simple it is. Really easy codes to recognise, and now you know what they're for, so you can rectify them. So I hope that's been of use to you. Nice little video, nice and straightforward. Drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.